I want to talk a minute about coming into the shop with a complaint of a noise in your car or a performance problem. We can write on the ticket your statement, but a lot of times your car has got 5 or 6 noises and we don't want to fix the wrong one. And your car may have a performance problem where you're talking about a hesitation on takeoff, but we feel a hesitation at 30 miles an hour, and they're two completely different problems. So the way to solve this, go for a ride with me or the technician when you bring the car in if it's questionable. Sometimes it's obvious. I can go out in the driveway and see what it is, and boom, you're fine. But for the most part, try to spend 15 minutes when you come in to get your car done so we can take a ride and get it checked out if it has a strange noise or a strange performance problem. Don't get ripped off.